Hello guys, welcome to Osas Family TV. If today is your first time coming across one of my videos, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button down below so that you can get notifications anytime I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be doing fish pie sauce. I'm going to be doing two methods of my fish pie sauce, and I want you guys to comment down below which one you prefer. So let's start. Here I have potato, I have scotch bonnet pepper and onions. It's been inside the freezer, so that's why it's like that. And I have mackerel, that's the cooked mackerel. I've removed all the bones. I just boiled it with water and just 1 cube of seasoning and mash it with my hand. In here I have carrot, peas and corn. I have the water that I use for my mackerel. Here I have my mackerel fillet for the other fish pie sauce, so that's what I use sometimes. So first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to peel my potato. That's my potato peeler, but I find it difficult. I'm not always fast anytime I use this. I'm so slow with it. I just prefer using a knife. That's my potato. I've sliced it, so I'm going to be using this to cut it. So I'm going to be putting it in the pot now. I'm going to be putting water. I'm taking it to the gas. I'm going to cover it and leave the potato to cook. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for it to steam for like 4 minutes. Yeah, that's the potato. It's been cooked. So I'm going to mash it. I'm going to be mashing it with a spoon. It's not that smooth. For the first one that I'm going to be doing, so I need this, which is the mackerel one that I removed the bone, the fresh mackerel fish, and I need the bell pepper, and I also need some of the potato. I'm going to put it aside and take from the potato. So that's the amount I need. I'm going to the gas now. I'm going to be using rapeseed oil, just a little. Very small. So I'm going to need curry, thyme and my aromats. First thing I need to do now is to put my bell pepper and my onions. I'm going to add my curry. I'm going to add my thyme and my aroma seasoning. You don't need to put the scotch bonnet pepper and the onions if you don't want to. So I'm going to be using the vegetable one instead for the spicy one. So I'm going to use this. So I'm not going to put any pepper on this again because of my son. So I will just do this without any spicy. So I'm going to be putting the mixed veg now. It's the same process, it's the same way on doing the other one, but it's just that I put veg on this one because I prefer the veg one. So that's the veg one that I eat. I'm going to add my mashed potato. And I'm going to be putting my mackerel fillet now. It's so nice. I can even eat it like this, you know. As the way it is, it's so nice. It's ready now, so I'm going to put it in a separate bowl. So I'm going to be doing the other one now. I'm going to put just a little bit of oil. So I'm going to be frying my potato. Going to add curry. A bit of thyme. And also my grounded onions. You can use fresh onions, but I just like the taste of the grounded onions. So it's up to you which one you prefer to do. So at this point, I'm going to be pouring my water. The water I used to boil the fish. Add my aroma seasoning. At this point, I'm going to be putting my fish. You can see the potatoes, so I didn't mash it that smooth. You can see them inside a bit. Going to have a taste of it. It looks so nice. It's very easy. It's not difficult at all. The difficult part is when you're removing the bone from the fish. So after that, it's so easy. It's not difficult at all. That's it. At this point, guys, you can add flour if you wish to, but I don't like adding flour. You can just mix flour and water together, like 2 tablespoons of flour. You can mix it with water and just add it. Some people do add flour, but me, I don't. So it's optional. It's up to you which one you prefer to do. This one is ready as well. So guys, which one do you prefer? Which one do you think is the best one? Comment it down below and I will go through them. For me, I prefer the other one. So this is my own way and this is the way I like them. So guys, what do you think? I will see you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like if this is your first time coming across one of my videos. Bye bye guys.